A lot of people want to know, what are the biggest challenges you find being a yacht chef?
I mean, there's several, but I think it's a challenge. Like, you get a lot of people, especially young guys, that are super eager to get into this industry. And, I didn't get into this industry for about 7 years. So I had a lot of experience in restaurants and stuff like that. That's not even like a lot for me, but that's really going to gear you towards being able to create any dish, any cuisine at the drop of a hat. Like, that is what a yacht chef is. It's like, you don't just wear one hat, you wear all of the hats, and you need to be able to cook every single cuisine. So I think that's one of the toughest things about being a yacht chef.